Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 6. So, last week was week 5, and we started out the unit atoms, elements, and molecules, looking at some basic subatomic particles and emission spectra of atoms. In this week, we'll be starting on periodic table. So, when a lot of people think about chemistry, they think of the periodic table. It's very important to understanding about the different elements. So, that's what we'll be looking at this week, just introducing the periodic table and periodic trends and understanding those trends of elements. So we'll be looking at the different patterns in the periodic table and how they can be used to predict chemical properties and reactivities and different properties of elements like ionization energy, atomic radius, and so on. We'll be looking at the formation of ions. Actually, that'll come up more next week as well. And that's pretty much it. All right, so we've got a few activities here. There's a scavenger hunt, periodic people activity, and 2 sets of notes, as well as, oh, this one's a good one, the element tile performance task. So in this one, you'll be choosing an element from the periodic table and representing the information about it on a tile. So it's sort of like an art project or something involving creative visual art aspect. To start out, though, we've got a discussion on trends. There's a video link to this, and then based on the video, you can talk about the different trends that you notice. Let's see, periodic table. So the scavenger hunt. So this is introducing the structure of the periodic table and how to find information on it. And this is looking at the basic structure of the periodic table in terms of patterns and why the periodic table is arranged the way it is. It's involving some people trying to arrange them based on patterns, so it's mostly looking at patterns. Notes on the periodic table is basic information about the periodic table, and I mentioned the tile already. And then we have periodic trends. So in the later part of the of this week, we'll be looking at some periodic trends, specifically and understanding how that's based on the structure of the periodic table. And then lastly, there's a quiz to assess your understanding of the periodic table and trends. And then finally, the closing discussion to discuss what we learned in the unit, or in the week, I should say. All right, well, there you have it. So I'll be seeing you on Zoom. Have a good day, everyone.